3. Okay.
I just realized that, and I'm glad I don't have a home care worker, because I won't know what I can do if somebody's doing it for me.
Absolutely.
I'm glad that my wheelchair broke, because I wouldn't have known that I could do everything. And
right.
I pushed this wheelchair, the big one.
Yes.
Pushed it to the pool, pushed it to the Chick-fil-A, pushed it to the Chili's.
Okay.
And then the fireman helped me, but I wouldn't have known I could do that. That it even felt good pushing it if I didn't have a choice.
Okay.
So I do need help, but I also need time and space to see what I can do.
Yes, absolutely.
And like the lady was like, she said, it doesn't matter. However you get things accomplished in your house, that's the way to do it.
Absolutely. 100% agree.
That is the it's the mind. The mind, if you just eat and exercise and lose weight and not capture the journey,
right,
then that's why you gain the weight back.
It is.
Because you haven't experienced all that it does.
Yes.
I mean, I just lost like 1.9 pounds yesterday. I lost 2.2 pounds the other day.
That's awesome.
Even after eating 6 pieces of chicken, stressed chicken, for a couple of hours Friday. Because after someone said, Deborah, it's okay. It's hard for me to find shoes. It's okay. That's a fact.
Yes.
You don't have to stress about that. You're going to the mall to pick them up. That's all I needed to hear.
Yeah. You just need validated. Exactly.
But then they say women don't need validated. But we do.
Yes.
Men don't, because they don't care if they got some money. They'll be fat as a pig.
Good morning.
And they still gonna pull some women. But they might like exercising, but they ain't trying to lose no weight. They just like exercising. Except them young boys, they want some muscles. And guess what else? I went to Dave and Buster's.
Oh.
Okay, they have tic-tac-toe. No, Pac-Man. Not tic-tac-toe, Pac-Man.
Oh, okay.
And we got to go on Wednesdays when the kids, it's half day before school get out. Because that's when all the kids going to be there. It's 50% off.
Oh.
And for $20, you can get food and some coins to play the games.
Okay.
So that's something.
That's cool.
Okay. The thing about you let me do a lot of talking. And I'll be talking for the whole hour.
And that's okay.
It is not okay.
No, it is, because you have to enjoy the process.
Yep.
And
another thing, the reason I want to practice walking today is because I was watching a video when I was walking, and I know why I stopped walking, because my knees were hurting really bad. But I was like, wow, you were walking. And even though I walked in here, I didn't walk at home.
Right.
But that's okay. Because what I'm doing is I see what I have been doing. Now I'm kind of doing it.
Yes.
That's the difference.
It is.
You can't, however you can do it is how you can do it. So I'm like, okay.
No back. Back should be good.
Back should be good. Hey, oh, I like that
knees.
purple. You like them? I do. That's cute.
I love all colors. I'm so sad Joann's is going.
Joann's is going out of business? Yeah. That's a shame. They're expensive as all get out. But that's still a shame. They need to bring Hancock's back. Okay.
Okay. Yes. Stand. Here we go.
After all that talking, that's very good. I'm not walking. I'm scared.
No?
But if you bring me that heavy pole, I might try.
Okay.
But I'm scared. Because my knees hurt. They ache. Because it's winter time.
Yeah, it's
but
cold.
Remember last year, I didn't exercise 5 days because of that. But this year we exercising 3.
And we're just going straight through it. Yes, we are.
So I'm scared.
No. No, look up. Look up.
Okay.
We're not scared.
I'm
You
not
go
scared.
down. You go down the steps in that van. Mm-mm.
Oh yeah.
No. This is nothing.
Okay.
So you gave yourself time to psych yourself out.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
I just wanted to see if I could still do it.
Oh, you can do it.
Okay.
Okay. See? We're shaking it out.
Let's see how many steps it took. We should go 13.5. 1, 2. Ooh, my knees, they feel so tender.
It's okay. It's okay. We'll stretch them out.
Then when I realized I could, this hold me, that made me not scared too.
Yes.
5, 6,
There you go.
7,
Good.
8.
Good. Stay up here. Stay up here. Don't look down.
Okay. 10, 11.
Yes.
That's when you were screaming softly. 12. 13. That really tickled me to death. 14. I can do it. 15,
You can do it.
16. 17.
Yes.
18. Is this new? 19.
No, he just moved it.
20. Okay. I can do it.
You can do
21,
it.
22.
I knew you could.
Okay. 23.
Good.
24.
Good. Keep going. Keep
25. 26. 27. 28.
Good.
29. 30.
Those shoes are so cute.
32. 33. 34. 35. 36.
Don't look down.
37.
Don't look down.
Okay.
We're not going down.
39.
Okay.
Now hold on to this. 40.
I know. That can trip people.
41. 42. 43.
And you're not even breathing hard.
45.
It's only been 2 minutes.
46. 2 minutes?
That's it.
47. What?
Since you started
48.
walking.
What?
Yes.
49. 50. 51. 52.
See.
53. 54. 55. 56. 57.
There you go.
58. 59.
See.
60. 61. 62. 63.
You can do it.
64. 65. 66. 67. 68. 69.
See.
70.
I'm pretty sure that's less steps than you used to do.
It was 90 something.
Yes.
That's my all-time high.
See. 7 minutes and 30 seconds, but that included our chit chat at the beginning.
Yeah. Because that's what Coach Jason said, you're supposed to have your mindset meditation.
Mm-hmm.
And so, that's amazing. Oh my goodness. I'm really not even out of breath. Okay. I'm glad I walked because I really wanted to walk, but now I take my wheelchair, but I gotta go to Urban Ministries today after I leave here.
Are they the wrestling guys?
That's amazing. So we're supposed to find something to do every day, make yourself proud.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, small things. Every day.
Yeah.
You want me to restart this so you can see?
No, 9 minutes. It has to be 9 minutes. So then we can start. We'll play the music. It's okay. Yeah. How many minutes is it on the music? How many minutes on there?
There's 8 minutes and 32 seconds.
Okay, as long as it's less than like 1 minute, you can play music. So we'll turn. By the time you walk over there, we can turn it off and restart it. Please. Oh, you blew your hair out.
What?
You blew your hair out. And you got a haircut.
Well, plus it's not very humid, so my hair gets really straight when the humidity. If it's humid, then my hair's kind of curly.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, my hair is kind of curly too.